morning. Here we are at sunrise at this beautiful RV resort in Tampa. Zero complaints.
Please like, subscribe, comment, and follow for more updates like this. Hey guys, welcome to XBA, Xander, Bryan Adventures, and I found a conch. There's a slug in here. He keeps trying to flip over. Now, I don't know if he's gonna do it, but what happens is he uses this sharp thing right here, and he digs it into here, and then he flips it, and then it takes the shell and it flips it over. Don't hurt it.
Don't hurt it.
Unless you're eating it.
Unless you're gonna eat it, right. You think it's gonna flip over?
I'm not sure. We'll come back to y'all whenever it flips over. No, not the wind.
The Tampa Bay area was hit pretty hard by back-to-back hurricanes Helene and Milton. We can see that the damage is pretty extensive, but recovery is underway. There were people on the beach and it was very beautiful, but there were lots of trees down and mountains of sand everywhere. So guys, we had a stellar day today. We went to the beach, we soaked up some love, we had plenty of good food. What do you think, Xander?
And I caught a conch snail.
He got a conch, made a new friend conch.
I don't think he wanted to be my friend.
You don't think so?
No.
No, I don't think so either. All right, we're about to head to the pool. Thank you for watching Xander and Bryan Adventures. Please subscribe if you haven't already for more content like this.